Welcome to EBUNGE Movable Partition.
Guangdong EBUNGE Building Material Industrial Company Limited has over 14 years of experience in manufacturing movable partition walls, office glass partitions, and toilet partition cubicles. Our movable partition walls are designed with a ceiling track-only system, making them easy to operate without causing damage to floors or carpets. These partitions are suitable for flexible spaces such as conference rooms, hotels, exhibition halls, schools, restaurants, and other areas where space reconfiguration is needed. We also offer office glass partitions, which create open, flexible, modern office environments while ensuring effective sound insulation. These partitions are ideal for dividing workspaces, creating private offices, or structuring open-plan offices to support both collaboration and privacy. Additionally, the toilet partition cubicles are made to provide privacy and durability, making them well-suited for use in public restrooms, schools, hospitals, office building, shopping mall, and commercial properties where long-lasting solutions are required. With a factory covering over 1,900 square meters and is equipped with advanced production technologies, enabling us to provide tailored solutions that meet the specific needs of each client. From product customization to shipping, installation, and ongoing maintenance, our team ensures responsive service throughout the entire process. We are trusted by clients in regions such as the USA, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and many other countries. Partnering with EBUNGE means that you are choosing reliability, innovation, and excellence. We warmly welcome your cooperation in the coming future.
Welcome to EBUNGE Movable Partition. This is Buffy. Before the check system is installed, please confirm that the steel structure can provide sufficient load-bearing capacity and that enough space is reserved above the ceiling. If you would like to get our installation guide and drawings for free, please leave us a message below. EBUNGE Movable Partition panels are available in 65, 85, and 100 mm thickness, including super high systems for special projects. The system is suitable panel heights up to 15 meters. Depending on set conditions. The track system is top-hanging and fixed to the steel structure using slotted loads and suitable steel connection brackets. No flow check is required. Typical installation space ranges from 180 to 380 mm or higher if required on-site. Final dimensions are confirmed on-site. The movable partition check system is designed for heavy-duty use, with load capacity typically range from 300 to 800 kg per meter. depending on the selected panel surface and the panel's height, the check systems as well. After the check is secured, mobile partition panels are installed. EBUNGE systems include a removable section called the active check, which allows panels to be hung safely and efficiently. Once installation is completed, the system is ready for operation. This structure is what the exact sample for the drawing you have sent. This steel material, it depends, the size it depends, because this is the ceiling level and this is the check position. This profile we will provide from this and the check and the panels. For the steel truss, it depends the size situation. That's why I asked what the top structure for the set, because usually we can use the steel truss to reach the height to more than 18 centimeter for 65 and 85 checks. And this truss, the height is adjustable. We can make the angle bar more bigger and make the screw more longer. Thank you. Today we will discuss how to choose the right movable partition wall supplier from internet. And firstly, you need to choose the right exact manufacturer, the goods ready, and we will put the shipping mark, use the carton paper package. And the top is the aluminum ceiling check, shows here and easy for our production. Go back here again. And this is our movable partition wall factory. You can see these panels are ready to be loading container. And here we will put the shipping mark here. Use the carton paper package. And finally, loading here. All the panels. Now it's loading to container. All the panels load into the container. Put the panels to the container one by one. All the movable partition wall panels have different systems: double roller, single roller, and curved connectors, 19-degree connectors. For the partition panel's surface material, we always support customized fabric, peel leather, high pressure laminate, melamine, wallpaper, and so on. This is the curved connectors, and it's always for the higher panel's height. For example, the higher more than 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, or more than 10 meters. We usually support these curved connectors. It will easy operate. We are the real manufacturer of movable partition wall based in China. Factory priced directly, no middleman. We are always support customized for the dimensions, surface material, and parking design. If you are also looking for movable partition wall for your space management, any questions, welcome to contact me at any time. For quote, for the design, for loading, for shipping, for any questions, you are focused. This panel is very heavy, almost 6 meters length, 1.1 meter width, 100 millimeter thickness. Finally, everything loading here. All the panels, all the goods, the checks, everything here, finish loading.
Movable partition walls, also known as operable walls, are becoming a modern solution for flexible commercial space design. Instead of using traditional fixed walls that permanently separate rooms, movable partitions allow large areas to be opened up or divided into smaller functional spaces whenever needed. They are widely used in hotels, conference centers, offices, schools, hospitals, and many commercial buildings that require multi-purpose space management. EBUNGE movable partition wall systems are designed with strong aluminum frames, premium sound insulation materials, and smooth overhead sliding tracks. Every panel is individually movable and can be easily stored in a small parking space when the wall is open. This feature allows users to transform a big hall into several meeting rooms or function rooms within just a few minutes. EBUNGE movable walls provide professional sound insulation, which helps create privacy and reduce noise transfer between rooms, depending on different models, thickness, and project requirements, which is excellent for commercial applications such as conferences, wedding venues, corporate meeting rooms, and training centers. Silent and comfortable communication has become extremely important in modern working spaces, and the movable walls are providing an ideal solution for this purpose. EBUNGE also provides a wide selection of finishes and decorative options. Customers can choose melamine, laminate, fabric, HPL, plywood, and acoustic panel surfaces, which allows the partition wall to match different architectural styles, interior design themes, and color preferences. We can also customize unique surface textures for hotels and corporate projects. At the same time, the system does not require any floor track, keeping the flooring continuous and clean, which is very important for premium commercial environments. In recent years, modern buildings have started to prefer open plan design, but at the same time, privacy, sound insulation, and flexibility remain necessary. Movable partitions solve all of these requirements at the same time. For example, a conference hall can instantly become two separate spaces for parallel meetings. A hotel banquet hall can hold two events at the same time. An office can switch from open co-working mode to private meeting mode whenever necessary. These flexible functions greatly improve space utilization and increase commercial value for the building owner. EBUNGE has more than 16 years of experience, and we provide a complete one-stop solution, including professional, design, on-site, measurement, manufacturing, transportation, and global installation guidance. Today, our movable partition systems are used in many countries around the world, and we continue to support architects, designers, and contractors with flexible commercial space. If you are looking for a reliable movable partition wall supplier, please contact EBUNGE at any time. we will assist you with professional movable wall solutions.